I don't know the fit. I don't think it will. Think so? That's perfect. Oh my goodness. Oh, to unlock this? Okay, first time riding a motorbike. Okay. So this Grab company has been playing games. They haven't been showing up. They've been canceling a lot, and they've been putting your money on hold and taking a long time to give you a refund. And my neighbor just let me borrow his bike. I'm so excited. This is my first time on a motorbike. I actually have my motorcycle license. I might have got it maybe about 8 to 10 years ago, but I haven't been on a motorcycle since then. I have never ridden a motorbike, and definitely not in a foreign country. So I'm so nervous right now. I just rode down the block a little bit. So I'm just trying to practice a little bit to get comfortable with starting and stopping it and knowing how to put my feet down so I don't drop the bike, and then the test will come when I get around people. So this was supposed to be one of my videos anyway, and it just happened to be today that I get to do it, so stay tuned. So he said it's a little weird to get it to start, and you have to put this up first. OMG. Whew, nervous. So if I put this piece up, do you know how to start it? You know how to start? Huh? Hold on, let me see. Okay, put this piece up.
It's hot, man. It's hot, man.
What's wrong? It's messed up.
Yeah, man.
Okay. This is so embarrassing. I had a child help me start it, but he couldn't get it at first, but we figured it out. And today I got on a skirt. Luckily I have shorts on under here. I was not planning to ride a motorbike today, but oh my God, Lord protect me. I have never ridden a motorbike, especially not in no Cambodia. Wish me luck, you guys. The sky is so pretty out here today. I can't believe I'm doing this. I've been wanting to do this for so long. I don't know how this video will turn out, but let me get off. I'm approaching traffic. I really can't believe I'm doing this. I'm so excited. I better watch out before I hit a freaking bump. I keep worrying about who's behind me, if I'm driving too slow. This freaking dog walked out of nowhere, and I couldn't like swerve because I would have hit him, and the only other way I could go was like this big old pile of rocks and mud. But I'm doing it! Yay me! Yay me! I'm so proud of myself! Woo! There's a lot of freaking bumps. I don't even know where I'm going because the GPS not talking to me. I'm just riding in a direction that I think I'm supposed to go. But I'm coming up on another intersection, and there's a lot of big cars around me, so I'll talk to you guys later. I was supposed to turn that corner. That would have been my first corner I was turning. But I was trying to record and somebody was coming out the side road. But the last time I came up through here, it was actually closed down. So I might go through this little area. I'm not sure. Ooh, I wonder if I can get through up here. I think I see a lot of people going through. Super excited. So you pull back. Oh gosh, I'm coming up on a construction site. I'll see you guys later. The clouds are so pretty right now. I'm so proud of myself. This dog better not, I'm so proud of myself. I just did a whole full turn. Well, I guess that would be a half a turn. You make a U-turn. It reminded me of when I had to do my I don't know if it's an 8-point turn or some kind of turn that you do that you have to pass to get your motorcycle license. I forgot what it was called, but I was the only one who passed that part of the test. when I took my motorcycle license. But anyway, I'm about to turn my first corner. I need to get off this phone. But I had to document this, of course. The sun is setting beautifully. I'm going out with my friend tonight. Glad nobody is behind me. I'm about to turn this corner. I don't want to do it with one hand. Somebody else is turning. I'm trying to time it. Okay, I'll talk to you guys later. I was still recording the whole time. I tried to hurry up and throw my phone inside of the little bucket. Whee! I hope my video isn't too boring. But you pull back to go faster. And you want to slow down, you let up a little bit. It seemed like the right brake didn't work good enough. But I'm letting everybody go by me. I need to look on the maps because I don't know where I'm going. I know I'm close to the area kind of that I need to be in. I need to get off this phone. I'm so proud of myself though. I keep saying I'll see you guys later, but they don't have any stop signs, no traffic lights most places, and this is a really busy intersection up here, so I'll talk to you in a little bit. So I just pulled to the side of the road. I got myself to the area that I knew I needed to be close to. Now I'm trying to look on the maps and find out where to go. This is crazy. But I'm learning how to maneuver around cars because there was a car coming up the street where I was coming out of, and it was a small little cut-off location. And I didn't know if I should slam on brakes or try to slow down and then turning wide around the corner with other cars coming. It's crazy. But I guess with more experience, I'll get better. I'll try to ride more before I leave this country. But let me find out where my friend is. I'm super frustrated. I'm in a one-way alley. It's starting to get dark. I can't really find my friend because the addresses here are not good, and I do not know how to make a U-turn in a small spot in a little alley. OMG. Jesus, please take the wheel. Help me. Now a truck is coming down this small alley. I hope he can see me. I'm right. He might be going in this alley. OMG. This is crazy. I hope it's not too late. I finally made it. Oh, wait. Let me see. I think I need the key to open this up. Hold on. This is my first day on a motorbike. Let me see. I hope it's not too late, is it?
Yeah, it's okay.
Alright. I don't really know how to start this. It's a little glitchy. Let me see something. Shit, I hope the battery didn't die. Why won't it start? Do you know how to start a motorbike? So it's after 2 a.m. I'm just arriving home. I'm in a bad mood. But anyways, I don't even know where to begin. I'm really hoping that this bike starts tomorrow. So we'll see how it goes in the morning. Maybe tomorrow I'll end out that video for the bike. Hey everybody, so it's the next morning. Well, I guess it's the same morning. I didn't go to sleep till 7 a.m. but I got in around 2. So if you watched up until a certain point last night, you would know that the bike would not start. So me and my neighbor, we're about to go into town on his other bike, and we're about to see what's going on with the bike. Hopefully it will start. Hopefully it just needs some gas and it's nothing major. Praying to God. So the bike is running. I was praying. I am so thankful. I feel so bad. My neighbor had to ride his other bike all the way here to help me start the bike. All I needed to do was hold the brake while I pressed the button. I thought that all you had to do was just turn the key on with the kickstand up and it starts. But you need to press the brakes after you cut it on and then press the button while you're holding the brakes. It's nice to learn. I think I might try to go out and joyride tonight. So I'm on my way to the market right now, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. I might get a little bit more footage before I turn the bike in for today, so stay tuned. Now that I passed that super busy intersection, I can put a little bit more speed into it. On my way to the market. 3 grocery stores, and then I'm taking my behind home. Let me get off this phone. Let me hurry up and see if I can remember how to start it on my own. I keep almost slipping. Let me see. You put this up. It's about to rain. I need to hurry up. Let me see. Let me see. I think I need both hands. I need to beat the rain. Let me get off this phone until I get off of this crazy ground. Going downhill before I fall. It's not too hot out here. It's a nice little breeze going. I'm so excited. I really need to get off and pay attention because people pull out a lot. Oh. Let me get off this phone. I'm so proud of myself. I got through that busy old intersection, passing construction. I'm on my way to the last grocery store. It was so scary. It was a truck coming towards me. It was one turning behind me, going the same direction. And then it was a guy on a regular bike coming towards me too, so I had to cut in front of him. I took off like a bat out of hell. But I feel so free. I got all this stuff with me. I am over today. It's a beautiful day, but I'm ready to get in the house. All these groceries I have. I might go joyriding tonight, hopefully. I feel better now. It's an amazing breeze. I would like to beat the rain. I'm glad nobody is behind me. But I'm getting off this phone. I have a lot of stuff and it's raining. Oh, it's muddy and watery. So I'll talk to you guys later. It's just so beautiful outside right now. I can't help but record it. I'm enjoying myself. I better pay attention. The sky is just so beautiful. It's not hot out here. I'm doing so well on this bike. All these freaking groceries, I barely have anywhere to put my feet. Thanks to my neighbor, I got him some grapes as he was taking me back into town to go and see what was wrong with the bike, which was nothing. I just didn't know how to start it. I was thinking about getting some bananas at this little shop, and he was like, oh, these grapes look good. So when I went to the market, I picked him up some grapes. And even though he said I don't need to fill up the tank, I'm still going to give him some dollars to show my appreciation. But I'm coming up here to a really busy intersection. The roads are really bad and there's a lot of construction. And I'm still not good with maneuvering my way through that. So I'll talk to you guys later. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Would you be mine? Look at the clouds. I feel so free. I should have been got back on a bike. But I was actually waiting to get a house so I can buy a motorcycle to put a garage in. One day I'll settle down. One day. Okay, I'm done. Let me enjoy the last of my ride.
This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose.